and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you want to learn how to make fast cash. Now today what we're fixing is a 37 Sanyo picked up for £10 and I've sold it already for £80. It's a 10-minute fix and we can get a lot of these every single day. I see a lot of people flipping iPhones, electronics, but there's not a lot flipping TVs. Join my channel and I'll show you exactly what TVs we can flip fast, easy cash. Now always remember to unplug the TV from the mains. These are the tools that we require to do the repair. Just a few simple tools. Now let's unscrew all the screws from the TV. There's 14 screws in total. Guys, please leave a comment. I'd like to know if you are up for flipping TVs for profit, or you're already doing the same thing. Let me know what profits you're making. I'll answer any questions you like. Okay, now we have the back of the TV and we can reveal the power supply. Check the power supply over and I can see there's one blown capacitor. This is a simple, common fix. This is a 16 volt 2700, and if we replace this with a 16 volt 3000, then it'll make the power supply stronger and the TV will last a lot more years. You will see that the capacitor is bulged. Now let's take the power board out and inspect it more. Be careful when taking out the cables. Okay everybody, now we've got the power supply out, fully inspected. I can only see the one cap that's blown. You'll see it's bulged and there's leakage. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove that and replace it with a 16 volt 3300. Make sure to tin your soldering iron for easier removal of the caps. All you want to do is locate the cap pins, apply a bit of heat, and wedge the gap out. Guys, all I'm doing here is just creating holes so we can put the new cap through. So just remove a little bit of solder and we've got 2 clear holes to put the new cap through. And you can see the negative and the positive on the board, so just match it with the gap and slip it through. And bend the leg slightly as it goes through. So all we're doing now is just applying a bit of solder to each leg of the cap. Really simple and really easy fix. I just use some nail clippers, nice pink ones, for to cut the legs off. And we're sorting the cap is soldered into the board. Okay, now let's just screw that board, the power board, back into the TV. And we'll see if it's been a success. And there we have it. Press the power button. And it's a success. Now if you want to learn about flipping TVs, picking the right TVs to flip, easy repairs, make fast cash, then please subscribe to the channel, support the channel. Just click that button and hit a like. Always give the TV a good clean before selling. And it says I bought this TV for £10 and now I have sold it for £80. So it's been a success. TV is working like a gem. Thanks for watching. Flip TVs for profit. And I'll see you in the next one.